Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video brings you tons of motivations. I know a lot of people don't like to put away their laundry or fold their clothes, so I hope this brings you tons and tons and tons of motivation. I'll be folding like 14 loads of laundry so it's a lot. I also be going around the house and just showing y'all my daily cleaning routine, like just picking up stuff, putting whatever is out of place, doing some dishes. So have some cleaning motivation thrown in the video for you also, and that grocery all at the end of the video. So yeah, tons of motivation for you guys. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing, like this video and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I hope y'all have a blessed week. I love y'all.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hey guys, I promise I'm not going crazy. Nor was I talking to myself. I was actually watching 90 Day Fiancé, and if y'all don't watch that, then y'all need to. I'm obsessed. So guys, I don't like when my husband does laundry. Y'all see that jacket? I'm gonna insert a picture of what the jacket looked like prior to now. It's supposed to be green. It's now completely yellow because he poured an entire bottle of bleach in the washer. And you know, something told me not to put the jacket in the load, to just hand wash it. But I said no, he ain't gonna use no bleach this time. But I don't know, he ODs every time he use the laundry detergent, bleach, whatever it is, he ODs with it. Like, every day he tells me that when he was growing up, his mom never let him do laundry because he would do the same thing. And I see why. I mean, don't get me wrong, the clothes are clean and they smell good, like hella good. But I just think that's wasting stuff. I don't even the laundry detergent. He uses an entire bottle one time, like each time. Every time we do laundry, we have to buy new soap, new detergent, and on top of the detergent, he uses the pods. So I don't know what he's trying to get clean out of the clothes. They do come out really good though. But lesson learned. I cannot wait for sometime in the future we do have our own home, because I won't be allowing him to do any laundry. That way we won't have to constantly keep replacing stuff. So of course I'm pleased that he said we can replace the jacket, but it's not the fact that we can replace the jacket. Yes, we can replace the jacket, but I love that jacket, and it's supposed to go with her dress, and on top of that, it match with so many stuff that she has. So it was just so cute. But now it's like, he ruined it. But enough of me rambling.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So now guys, it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm just going around the house and just putting back stuff where they belong and just tidying up real quick and definitely doing some dishes. I have to do dishes every single day. Sometimes I do dishes like 3-4 times a day, but this is what I do every day. My daily routine. Definitely do some dishes, put things back where they belong, right on the counter, sweep the floors, and then that's it. That's just my daily cleaning routine.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt.
So guys, we're just gonna jump right into it. Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So we got these, they call, sorry, tomatoes, 4 of them. We got 2 things of strawberries, but I'm gonna throw these away because I just saw an article that says possible hepatitis A outbreak, so I'm gonna throw them away. We got 2 things of blueberry, 3 things of blackberry. We got 2 things of 2 things of gala apples, some more cucumber, watermelon, more provolone and sweet cheese, 2 things of pineapple, 2 more orange juice, another potato bread and the Italian bread, 2 things of bless you, 2 things of cherries, and some lean beef salami, some more turkey bologna meat, some grape tomatoes. We got some of these light tuna packages, some more green grapes. We got 2 mini tail conditioner because we ran out of conditioner, but we have tons of shampoo in storage. Another thing of cranberry, this flavor is cranberry raspberry. This biofreeze ointment with gel, and 2 Pepsi. And the total for this was $240.61. And this is totally random, but guys, tell me why my husband had to buy, this is like 2 goddamn chicken, like we're feeding the entire community. It's just 3 of us. And okay, hold on. And all this waffle, and I plan on cooking that, but look at it. I might as well put this back in the fridge. Look at that.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray